Greetings everyone, I'm glad to be here and introduce you the ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor. The ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor is a wireless AI sensor that can be used immediately upon application. It is suitable for more than 80% of general rotating equipment. By continuously monitoring vibration and temperature data of industrial equipment and analyzing this data using AI algorithms, it achieves fault diagnosis and smart alerts, thereby assisting in the intelligent operation and predictive maintenance of industrial equipment. The ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor utilizes ZETA, a low-power IoT communication technology developed by ZETA Sense. ZETA features long transmission distances, stable communication, and strong penetration capabilities, making it suitable for various complex factory environments. To adapt to complex and variable on-site installation environments, the ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor is designed in both integrated and split versions. The casing and cables of the ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor are made of high-strength composite materials, offering excellent wear resistance and impact resistance. The sensor's protection level can reach IP67, and its explosion-proof rating can meet ASHA IICT 4GA, ensuring stable operation in various industrial environments. Depending on different customer scenarios, the ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor offers two types of services: Edge Services and Cloud Services. Edge Services deploying AI algorithms directly on the sensor edge. The sensor can monitor equipment operation status in real time, identify potential faults, and report results directly to the cloud for analysis and storage. Edge Services excel in real-time performance, low latency, data security, and independence, making them suitable for customers with high real-time requirements, limited network bandwidth, or high data transmission costs. Cloud Services involve deploying AI algorithms on the cloud platform. The cloud platform performs in-depth analysis and mining of vibration and temperature data collected by the sensor, extracting valuable information and providing it to users through a visual interface or API interface. Cloud services offer powerful computing capabilities, scalability, and centralized management and monitoring of multiple sensors. For customers with high requirements for local data storage, the cloud application software can be deployed on local servers to achieve localized system deployment. Currently, the ZETA Edge AI Vibration Sensor has been widely used in industries such as cement, chemical, manufacturing, food, power plants, and buildings. Please feel free to contact us if you are interested in cooperation.